This is an update on what is going on at the new home of the Smart Woodshop. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, and if you want to get yourself a set of plans to build your own Smart Woodshop or one of my workbenches, be sure to check out the link in the description down below or at the end of this video. Okay, so if you've been following along, you know that I moved into this new space to store stuff and also work out of and make some videos. It has been a busy time. This place was full and now it is quite a bit more organized and a lot less stuff in it. Now, one of the things I'm going to do is I've spent a lot of time going through the Smart Woodshop and making it more lean and more efficient to work better for me and what I have planned for the future. I will do an in-depth tour, take you through, we'll look at all the drawers and the tool choices I'm making and kind of update you on that. But that'll be a future video and I'll do that pretty soon. I'm almost there. Before I had all of this space was with all of the bins, and now what's left of the bins is over there. They're all stacked, organized, labeled, and gone through once. Now, it doesn't mean that I'm 100% there. I think when we move into our new place and we unpack them, we'll probably end up getting rid of a lot more of our personal stuff. But for now, it's pretty good. We can get to it, everything is labeled, we can see in it, and they go back to that corner. This is where I'm gonna set up my workbenches and work and shoot the videos. You can see I've already got the crane set up with its camera and the other camera on wheels. That's the two cameras I primarily use. This stuff right here is going away today. The stand-up desk, since I'm not using it right now at home, it's working out great here. I sold my big toolbox, and so being on wheels and stuff, this is working out great. Every time I see another square inch of floor space, makes my heart sing. I just love this thinning and organizing and becoming more lean and more efficient, not only in the work life of carpentry, but also in just the personal life and just getting rid of stuff that I've been hauling around for years that does a little more than collect dust. You know, the more stuff I have, the more it owns me, and I'm really starting to get that nice freeing feeling of not having a lot of stuff burdening my wife and I. We are enjoying this and traveling and not having so much stuff to take care of at home. So that's kind of where we're at. I just wanted to give you a quick update. I've got a couple of projects I want to do. One in particular to do with organization and something I'm gonna build. It's somebody else's idea. I've shared it before. I think it's a great idea, and I think I showed you it's a router bit organization, and I think it's the best I've ever seen, and I want to build it myself. So I'll do that and film it so you can see how to build it. Make sure you subscribe and ring that little bell so you know when I drop a new video. And also give me a thumbs up. It helps drive the algorithm up so more people see it. Hey, thanks for stopping in. Have a great day.